everybody, this is Diane with Crafting with Fury. Hope each and every one of you are safe and healthy no matter where you are. I am here with a VR and it's for Life Mix here on YouTube. Hey girl! And she is holding a 500 subscriber challenge giveaway and she surpassed her 500, so congratulations girly. I will leave her link down below. It is over on November the 10th, so you still have time to participate if you would like. And go give her some crafty love that we love to give our crafty friends. And what she is asking for is 3 altered index cards. And it can be the 3x5 or the 4x6. And I decided to do the 4x6. And she did want 2 to be flat with no layering. And that was a challenge because I like to build up and just have everything, you know, stand out. But because I think she mentioned something about using them in books and stuff, so that's a pretty cool idea. And on one, she said you can decorate any way you want to represent your channel. And I had fun. So let me show you what I created. Let's start with this one first. This one is going to be one of my, there's no dimension on it. And I use this paper here, Imagine, from Stamperia. And this paper is gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. And there's so many pretty images in here. It's double-sided, just so pretty. And I've seen this and it says, beauty begins the moment you decide to be yourself. The creation of beauty is art. Love of beauty is taste. And then it's got this B. And so I put this out. And I said, oh, that fits perfectly on this 4x6 card. And then I started thinking, I don't want to cover that up. What am I going to do? Ding, 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 ding. I pulled out my diamond dust. I pulled out my glossy accents. And so I glossy accent this right here in the paper clip. I diamond dust the B, glossy accent here and here, and I did use some of the Spectrum glitter pens on the top here, and I glossy accent the button, and I don't know if you can see it or not, but I used some Crackle glossy accents here and here, and just little places there. You can see I diamond dust a lot of the dress, and glossy accent here and glossy accent here. So I thought, you know, I just don't think it needs anything else because it's flat, but yet it's got the diamond dust and got the personality going on there. So I was tickled how that turned out. And then on the back, I just put, you know, I left it looking like a index card. I just thought that'd be pretty cool. And yes, you guessed it, I had to do a Halloween one. And the die that I used this die here, and I got it from Allie, and I will try to leave the link down below. Super stinking cute. And then on this spider web, I used a Tim Holtz Alteration Sizzix spider web. Love this. It's huge. And all I did was I put black paper and then done a little bit of white inking behind it. I cut out the spider web in glitter white, and I put these sparkle spiders and these black spiders. And then I got these little holographic ghosts that somebody had gifted me. And then I got this little black cat down here, and I want you to look at this little doll here. I did it in holographic paper. Look how cute, and look how big that die is. Super easy to put together. Little black bow, but I had to give her a little orange hair. I love the way this turned out, and just, you know, put my name on the back. It's flat. I don't think that it's got any dimension. So there is mine. And then I started thinking about what I would do to represent my channel. And this is the die that I used. You know how I love my butterflies, and you know how I love steampunk. So I thought, oh, I remember getting this die. And I got it from Allie, and there again, I'll try to link it down below. And I got this paper, and it's actually, this paper, it's Tim Holtz Ideology. It says Abandon. Love this paper. I've been hoarding it, so I'm trying to use my stash, guys. Trying to use it. And so what I did was I cut the butterfly out in blue foil. Then I cut all the gears out in different foil colors. And then I put some little diamonds all around the butterfly. Let me see if I can get a little closer. There you go. And you can see, and put the little red right here. So cute. I love that. And then what I did, I cut this out of one of my Stamperia. It says, sometimes flying is not enough. And had to put my medal. Had this little heart charm. Got a chain going over here. And of course, if it's representing my channel, I had to have diamond dust somewhere. So I actually put diamond dust on this little middle flower and put a center, gold center there. And then the chain comes down here, and I put a gear. And then the chain goes up here and over, and put another gear here, and then put a key right there. I love the way this turned out. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. Love it, love it, love it. So, everyone, please go check out Life Mix, and super fun challenge. The only challenge I think I had was not layering, but I could layer this one. So thank you all so very much for stopping by. I truly appreciate it, and may God bless each and every one of you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.